what's up guys? Today we will be playing Barry's Prison. And this time, we're doing it in the hard mode. We're gonna do it in third person guys, because I don't want it in first person. So this is the harder than the easy one. So I already completed the easy one. So yeah guys, we gotta get started on the video. Let's do this. Come on, come on. Okay, this doesn't look easy, but it's just easy as it looks. It's easy as it looks, guys.
Dito ako sa'yo.
Oh no, I think that's not.
Kung nag-asawa na.
Mami mo, kung mag-aasawa ka, mami.
Yeah, definitely not easy, guys.
Kasi gusto namin dadaan
Jump.
na mag-ayos ka na sa buhay mo.
Jump, come on.
Di paano,
Jump, no, guys. Come
di paano
on.
tatanggalin
Okay.
ito?
Usapan niya na.
Jump, jump,
Patikit yan.
jump,
Tanggalin natin.
jump.
Doon sa ilalim ko, chill na.
Oh my God, guys.
Ikaw, kuya, anong
Guys, let's go, guys. Guys, let's go. Okay, we're almost close, guys. We're doing. Oh, we gotta jump here. We gotta jump. Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go. We got it, guys. Oh my God. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for the wait. So let's do this, guys. Let's do it one more time, man. Okay, we gotta time it, guys. We gotta.
Balik mo to. Call mo si lola mo.
Come on.
Tawagan natin si
Come
lola.
on, guys. We're almost close. No. You gotta be like extra careful for that. Oh shoot. Come on. Come on. Shoot, guys. Gotta be extra careful with this one. Okay, do we have the coins? We need the coins. Okay, jump. Okay, we got it. We got it, guys. We got it, guys. Oh, shoot. Guys, we're almost close. Come on, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go down. Oh, we're getting chased by Barry. So we gotta click. Come on, run, run, run. Oh, come on. Guys, let's go. Go, jump, guys. We gotta go. We gotta go. Woo! We got it, guys. We got it. Okay, this is the hardest part. I hate this part when like I can die. Like, oh yeah, that's where I die right there, because that's the hardest part of all of them, guys. Okay, guys. We gotta do this. We gotta do this. We gotta. Oh man. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're almost close. Go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. We're almost close.
Wait lang din.
Oh no, shoot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Tingnan mo.
You're too slow, bro. Too slow. Let's go. Woo, let's go, guys. We got it. Oh, shoot. Definitely hard, guys. But yeah. We gotta go down deep here. Where is the shovel? Let's go. let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go. Oh, we're almost close. Okay, okay. Oh, whoa, whoa! We gotta be careful. The lava. Don't fall into the lava, guys. Gotta.
Uncle, i-call mo. Si Lola raw po, i-call.
No. Okay.
Okay po.
Gotta. Okay. Okay, got it, guys. We got it. Woo! Let's go. Oh, shoot. What the? Need to time that. How do we get that? Bro. It's not easy as it looks, guys.
Yeah.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go, guys. We gotta run, guys. Guys, come on. Oh no, I died. You should try again.
Kasi mahalaga kayo sa akin.
Whoa, guys, come on. No. How did I die? I was like on the side, guys. This is super intense. Whoa, guys. Whoa, okay, here. I hate this freaking part. We're gonna get chased here. Guys, come on, guys. Come on, how do we go there? It's kinda hard.
Let's draw.
Okay, come on.
Ate, kontakin mo sa kanta.
Ano pa? Sino pa?
Come on, guys.
Nasa work files yung Jerry.
No, but I did all of that. So, one here. And get
Message
me.
mo Lola, mami mo. Ano mo, mag-report si daddy kay Lola.
Oh no, guys.
Message mo.
We need to get him out of there.
Kinon ko na.
Sino yan?
Regalado family.
Nag-message ka kasi kami importante.
Ayun lang. Uncle Saddam, nandyan po ba kayo kay La Lola?
Let's go. Oh, she chat.
Sabi mo, daddy, ano ka ba?
May gagawin po si Daddy.
Sasabihin.
Oh no.
Si Uncle Jerwin po.
Guys, literally,
Okay po.
this is so hard. No, we gotta stay out of that.
Message mo si mami mo muna. Message mo. Sabi mo, mami, magre-report si daddy kay Lola. Sabi mo, si daddy nang papaaral sa amin.
No, guys.
Sabi mo, si daddy nang papaaral sa amin.
Okay, we need to get him out of there. He's guarding it, bro.
Dapat alam niyo yung anger na
Let's go, guys. We did it.
Ay, hindi. Ayun na.
Okay,
Uncle
guys,
Jerwin.
we did it.
Nandyan po ba kayo sa bahay?
Did it. Come on, let's go.
Iyan na po, i-call po si
We're
Lola.
done. Okay, we gotta respawn.
Opo.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go down. I meant up, not down. Okay, this is. I want this part. Yeah, because. Yeah, let's go.
Daddy, oh.
Okay.
Ay, Daddy, oh.
I'm gonna pause.
Ayun na si Lola.
Go
Ay,
in.
Lola.
You fat
Three.
bro.
Ilan ka naman?
I I really wanna. Oh, bro, you said a bad word. Okay, I'm gonna blur that out. I'm gonna try and blur that out, cause I'm new at editing.
Ito kasi si mami ng anak niya, nagpabarangay kami doon.
No, guys, no, shoot.
Pabarangay kami doon.
Come on, come on.
No.
No,
Pabarangay
guys.
yung anak mo, yung
This
ano, si Michelle. Pabarangay ako doon.
Go, let's go. You gotta jump at like the yellow
May
line, so
bago na
it's
naman kasing jowa.
exact.
Pinapapunta doon sa bahay. Okay. Nag-barangay kami, sabi ko, sige magkita tayo sa barangay kasi gusto ko, siyempre kilala ko yung lalaki.
Let's go. Okay, you gotta
Sabi
jump
ko,
at
sige, wala
that.
ka dyan sa papel. Bawal ako lumapit sa'yo, bawal.
Oh,
Yung mga bata nasa akin, kinuha ko muna kasi hindi ko na nakasama to.
let's go.
Tapos
Let's go,
mami niya,
guys. Let's go.
message naman ko si Chelsea, sabi, hindi na raw
Let's go.
sila paghaharap. Stop daw paghaharap.
Let's
Sabi ko,
go,
ako
let's
nang
go,
papara sa
let's
inyo.
go, let's go. Okay,
Kaya
we
sabi
gotta
ko sa
get the
kanila,
ladder first. Ladder.
nag-usap kami, sabi ko, pag i-report nyo yung mga ganyang pangyayari sa bahay nyo, kasi hindi namin kilala kung sino yung mga pinapapasok na.
I need to get
Diba,
out.
bago na naman yun. Ngayon, nagkapirmahan kami doon sa barangay. Sige, bawal ako pumunta dyan. Sabi ko, pumunta ako dyan sa bahay na yan. Mabuti nga ako, hindi tayo nagkapang-abot dyan. Kasi sabi daw, single daw siya.
Let's go.
Sabi ko, hindi ka nagtitingin sa tatanong sa kapitbahay dyan.
Oh shoot,
Kaya ako,
guys.
umiwas na ako doon kasi nga, napabasa ko yung chat nila eh. Hindi ko na sila pinapakailaman kasi wala naman na rin ako doon. Umalis na ako. Sa akin, welcome kasi ako doon eh. Pagka bumupunta ako doon, welcome ako. Sa akin, wala naman akong restriction doon. Sa akin,
guys.
pangabot kami doon. Hindi naman ako nire-restrict ni Mitch. O anong mangyayari sa amin? Magkakarambola doon.
Oh.
Sabi ko, sige, magpirma ka dyan sa barangay.
Aray!
Hindi ako pupunta. Bakit ba?
Jump.
Sa mga anak ko, pinausap ko, sabi ko, paano yan, pag nagpunta kayo ng 13, nagdala na naman ang bagong lalaki namin. Nakausap ko sila. Sige, daddy, sa inyo na lang ako. Sabi niya, papalik daw sila doon, mag-asawa naman niya. Sige, sabi ko, basta mag-asawa namin mo, okay na. Kasi kung sino-sino lang ng lalaki, sabi ko, ayoko kasi, safety yan mga bata, hindi ko sila nalala.
Let's go, guys.
Yung lalaki niya kanina, sabi mabait, sabi
Okay,
na raw sila.
this is kinda actually hard,
Distansya na lang din ako.
so we gotta be careful.
Kung anong nangyayari sa inyo, bahala kayo. Sabi, wala na raw sila kanina kahapon. Kasi, pinost ko yung lalaki doon sa mata niya, sa group namin. Sabi ko, kung mapasok ka dyan, hindi kita kilala. Mention ko yung pangalan. Nagagalit na yung lalaki kasi mention ko na. Sabi ko, kahit kasuha mo, wala naman akong sinabing masama sa'yo. Pangalan mo lang.
Oh, bro, how is that?
Bahala ka kung anong nalaman mo sa amin. Kasi, ako, concerned lang naman ako sa anak ko.
Let's go. Oh. Okay, we gotta be careful with these.
Alam mo naman yun, laging hysteric. Tapos, sumulat siya sa papel, o nabawal ako pumunta doon. Sabi ko, sabihin mo dyan, bakit kita pupuntahan? Ako, sabi ko nga, ako na nga yung lumayo, kasi nga, baka mamaya magkagulo dyan. Ano ko sa ulo, maghapunta kayo, makita yung lalaki doon, magkakarambola kami.
On a sec right now, guys, so yeah. And we're having a hard time right now. So yeah, I hope you guys help me, guys. Yeah, thank you guys.
Ba't dito marinig ate?
Oh, shoot.
Ay, okay na.
Let's go, let's go. Okay, we got it.
Oo.
We cannot die here.
Ewan ko kung paano yung schooling nito.
Let's go.
Punta muna ako sa school kasi GTS ka, umiiyak eh, gusto private. Sabi ko, ako magpaparal. Pupunta muna ako sa school. Anong status ng schooling nito doon? Alam ko, may bayaran eh.
Yeah, but we gotta.
Kaya nga, yung pera ko dito, hindi ko kasi nung nakaraan hihingi si Mitch 15K. May pera ako dito.
No. Okay,
May
you know
pera
what?
ako, kaso nung nakaraan hihingi siya sa akin 15K para tuition daw. Kasi ewan ko kung staggered na yun o ano. Kung may babayaran doon, ako na lang personal magbibigay doon. Iniipit ko itong pera. Iniipit ko itong pera ko. Hindi ko naman binigay sa kanya to kasi last pera ko to eh. Hindi pa pwedeng lahat ng pera ko nasa labas.
Ooh, we got it, guys. Let's go. We're almost close to the boss battle.
Oo, diretso ko na lang doon. Nag-chat kay...
Guys.
Nag-chat kay Cheska, hindi raw sila pag-aralan.
Guys.
Kasi,
Okay, you're here.
ang ano niya,
Thank you for the subscribe. Happy 11 subscribers, guys.
kung may
Thank you,
balanse
guys.
doon, i-allow ng school na
I hope you
mag-stagger
can help
ako.
me today, guys.
O pwede sila pumasok.
Woo, guys. Woo. Okay, that was kind of easy.
Eto nga umiiyak to si Cheska. Gusto private siya.
No, I hate
Ano
this
magagawa ko?
part.
Gusto niya ng private.
Kasi dati, doon na kami nag-aral
Okay,
eh.
bro.
Sayang matitipid natin pera. Magkano yung enrollment mo doon? 40,000? I-check ko kung magkano yung...
Let's get the food, sugar. Okay, there's nothing in that.
Oo.
Lipat-lipat namin ng school day eh.
Come on. Come on, get the food,
Ang
sugar.
alam ko ang balance is 40 eh. Hindi ko alam kung
Got it,
35
guys.
o 40 o 45. Pero wala pa
Okay.
siguro 50 eh. Siguro kung may miscellaneous, baka makapagod sa 50. Ewan ko lang. Basta doon lang naglalaro
What the
ng
hell
40.
was that?
Siguro.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Woo! No.
Oh, kasi nga,
Susting na pasukan namin eh.
hindi naman nag-update po namin ito. Yung nakaraan 15K, pinahanap na ako. Hindi naman siya sa akin nag-update. Oh, status, oh, ganito sa school, ganyan. Hindi naman siya, ano, ay di ako na lang personal kung ano talaga ang status ng mga to doon.
Bro, how are we supposed to get there? Come on. Not too fast. Bro, that's not even possible. How do you get there?
Oh,
Oh,
staggered
come
ko na lang.
on.
Staggered doon. Oh, oh.
Guys, this is actually kind of hard than I thought, and this video is gonna take longer. I mean, longer, super longer. Okay, we got it, guys. We got it.
Medyo ano, choppy ka?
Spam Roshi cat,
Medyo choppy yung salita mo.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, come on. We're almost to the exit.
Hindi, minsan okay.
Oh, shoot. I didn't know it was there, guys. Woo!
Alis ka dyan.
Go, guys.
Nadisip pero.
Guys. We need to go.
Tumandal ka doon, kuya.
Ah!
Ayan yung mga bata ko.
Sorry, guys. Let's go.
Bigay kayo ng pera.
Okay, I should skip this. Why is this taking so long? Okay, I think we gotta zoom in. Gotta zoom. No, we gotta go here. This here. No! Here. No. Bro. Go.
Bago lang.
Oh, I don't think we need zoom for this. We just need to like put it at the exact
Magkano nga sila lock?
same spot.
50,000.
Like, oh no! Cause you didn't mean what's wrong about me. Cause you should. No! No, I actually got it now. Come on, guys. We're almost close. We're almost close.
Sige, bukas i-update ko kung magkano para...
Okay, you got it, guys. Let's go. Okay. We're almost close, guys.
Kasi pera ko dito.
We're almost close to the boss
Pwede
now.
galawin yung pera ko, hindi ako basta nagpapasiro eh. Ha? Kaya nga eh, baka ako meron dyan na bayaran ko naman pa inot-inot. Kasi yung pera ko dito, hanggang di pwede ako walang pera eh, na nakatabi. Kasi hindi ko alam yung panahon. Gusto ko laging nagadagdagan yung pera ng ipon ko. Hindi pwedeng cheap pabawa pa.
Okay, we're done. We don't need the plank. Okay, the boss.
Yung sa dati pa rin yan.
We're almost close. We're feeding him, guys. Let's go.
Yung sa dati pa rin yan. Yung sa dati pa rin yan. Ano ba yan?
Let's go, guys. We won. Let's go. Okay, guys. Let's go. We need to get out of here. We are done. Goodbye, Barry. I thought this was hard for you, but not for me. Let's go. Come on. We need to get to the helicopter here, guys. Ooh, let's go out. Let's go.
Ayun, nagusto nga kami dito ng mga bata natin ha. Ang kustodiyan nila eh. Hindi pwede yung bago-bago na nakikita ng lalaki itong mga to.
Okay, let's go. Okay, a bit lower than last time we defeated
Nag-usap naman na kami ng mga
the easy one was super easy. Oh, okay guys, we're here. Well, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.